Do you want to know how you can log into your KTBS Online Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your KTBS Online Payroll account. Go ahead and go to the search bar and search for KTBS Online Payroll Login. Then, click on the first link which appears on your screen. After you click on the first link, it will take you to this site over here. You can see that this is the official login portal of KTBS Online. What you need to do first of all is write down your username or your email address in this box over here. So, go ahead and write down your username and address on the first box, and go ahead on the second box and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check your password once by clicking on this eye icon over here. Then the last step is to click login. This way you can successfully log into your KTBS Online Payroll account. If you don't have an account yet and want to create one, go ahead and click register. And if in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset your password, this is the link for you. I hope this video about how you can log into your KTBS Online Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.